Good morning. I'm trying to refresh stuff and it's not refreshing right.
Well, you just had a boom bottom drop out.
What the hell is why am I not logging in? What the hell? No wonder my shit's not right.
Switch over to Bookmap. You're getting a big push down here. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Um,
Guys, gals, and bots. How y'all doing today? What the hell? Roy, what is my chart doing here? See if this one updates right. That one's right. Why is SPY so screwed up here?
I don't know. It is drilling though right now.
Oh, I know what it is. Net premiums. Yeah. We have broken the orb down. Kind of what we want to see, but we want to see a move. We only got, I don't think we got much of a move down here, Roy. I mean, you got orders down here at 96. We'll see if those hold, but wait, see if we get a clear break of it. It's not really, just wanting to get back in that orb low. So take that one out where it looks better. I can see it better. See if we get a close below this orb and a retest. I'll look for short. But I'm in no rush. I want to see, make sure we get good solid plays today. Sorry about yesterday. Roy screwed us up.
Yeah, that was my fault.
I'm kidding. It happens. Life happens. We got to adjust to it.
Yeah, everybody's back to normal, back to school.
CBD's holding up a little bit here, which is kind of strange. Did have a big move overnight, right? So, I didn't see what MO came out at. Let's see where it's at. They didn't do MO this morning?
Doesn't look like it.
Oh, it's way down there.
Oh, no, it's way down there. Yeah.
Plus 331. Okay. Wow, usually wait a few minutes. This is kind of threw me off doing it right on time. We had initial jobless claims came out this morning. Worse than expected. Of course, that's not a surprise right now. What else do we have? We got wholesale inventories coming up at 9. We got Bostic speaking at 9. So you got a little bit happening here in the next 10 minutes or so. So if you do get in a trade, I would suggest you get in, get out, and wait and see what happens. Looks like we're going to close below, well, it's going to be close. The orb low. Got 25 seconds left to see if we can close below that orb low. Right on VWAP too. Wouldn't mind seeing a little bounce and then rejection back if that's what it wants to do. Well, so much for close. Close right on orb low.
Right on it.
Good to know. Still, Roy, that strength indicator is showing 73 on the bottom channel, on the top channel. So that top channel isn't looking too strong on that. All right, so let's see here. CBD is bouncing a little bit. Back here testing this orb again. I want to get a break, but I don't want to force into a trade either. Be wrong. So a whole lot of nothing right this second.
Yeah. You know, you did have that.
Could have traded off the VWAP break back up. And your VWAP and your orb low right there, so that's probably a pretty strong indicator to go along there, Roy.
Yeah. They you had the 6,400 kind of get flirted with, hold for now, but we'll see if it has any sort of moxie. Volume on SPY tie is very interesting. It's kind of went way down red, and now it's pushing itself back almost green.
Yeah, it's back at that flat line, and call premiums and put premiums are both rising. See if we can break it down this time. It's going to hold. I mean, it can't get that clean breakdown. Can't get the clean breakdown. Volume is turning back down on SPY.
Some Swiss tariff news hitting the audio wire.
Well, the Swiss president was in Washington yesterday, and wasn't that them that left without a deal?
Yeah, left without a deal.
Well, I'm gonna take a chance on a short here, just because you got a little area right here where it's kind of bend support. I'm gonna see if that's turned to resistance and move back down. If we can go back down to 6,400, that would give me a nice little play here, but we'll see. If it bounces up, well, we lose a little bit. We're not, anybody watching at home, I'll scale back some. We're just trading one lot. We're trying to get $20, $10 stop loss. If it hits, it hits. We're going to trail it. Try to do everything the right way. See if we can get some confidence back. Me and myself and Roy took a little hit yesterday. So
yeah, no, we've been definitely battling demons.
Yeah. Come on, hit 40, 60, 40. There it is. All right, well, Roy, there's $20.
All right, look at us.
That's a start. Now, what I want to see if we get a breakdown, but your volume's turned back green, Roy.
Yeah, no, I mean it's channeling. I think it's Backstreet Boys. Quit playing games with my heart.
It looks like it turned green, then it turned right back, went right to flat though. So that was a brief one. So now we're going to play this orb as a orb. If it breaks it, if it gets a clean break below, we'll look for a retest in another short. But to be honest with you guys, right now I'm just looking to be solid setup. Let's hit it and let's move to the next one. Should have took it there, but it is what it is. Still not a fan of CVD holding up here. I mean, they go to 2,000 and kind of came back down some, but if we want to see a move down, we need to see CVD turn red, turn negative. And right now, we're just kind of chopping this little range, and I don't want to trade any chop in this little range right here. And we do have 4.5 minutes till we got data coming out. So
yeah, and Boston.
Look at that. That's why you don't just go straight to a short. Look at that bounce. CVD just popped 1,200 points instantly.
Oh, What on earth was that about?
I don't know. That was I mean, we were down here and it popped up all the way, 8 points, 9 point pop out of nowhere. So if you were in a short, you just got stopped out for no reason. Or should have got stopped out for no reason. You know, when you have a bad day, me and Roy talked about it, you kind of self-reflect. Looking back, I made some trades I shouldn't have made that ended up going in my favor. Just got in them too early. And I'm more of a momentum trader. Roy, I think you would agree with that. I'm pretty good when we get a trend and I'm running with the trend. I struggle when we chop around. We chopped around a little bit yesterday morning before we finally got the breakout, right? Just kind of up, down. Really no direction. There was no need to be what we traded there. We did. Then you get behind, then you're chasing, then you start second guessing yourself and all the good things that go with it. So I am going to stick to, that's when I drew my orb out this morning. I've got it on my other chart too that I look at, but so you guys can see it. If you want to be a momentum trader, you got to have reasons to have momentum, right? Excuse me. So if you draw your orb chart out, and if you get a break and a retest and a move, then you're moving with the momentum. You're trading with the momentum, and that's the way to go. All this other stuff, yeah. There's some other things to tell you, like maybe to get out or do stuff candle by candles, 3-bar reversals, all that good stuff. Yes, they work. But I think myself was just kind of moving around a lot when I need to stick to what I made really good. I mean, you look back the last 2 years, I've got a track record to show that my trading system worked. Why change anything? Good morning, Royce.
Good morning, Royce.
Old school money. This is going to be what. Yep. Oh, what was that? Did I lose internet for a minute?
I think so. It
Roy,
glitched
you there?
out on you. Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me? Still moving? Oh, you frozen? Yeah, I think we may have lost money. So we'll let him pop back in.
Roy, move. You can see me.
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you now.
Can anybody?
Yeah, we can hear you. Nope, now you're frozen. Right as date is about to hit, we've got SPY pushing higher. We've got, potentially a little pop here.
You got me?
What the data is. You're coming in and out.
I don't know what's going on. It had to be internet on my side because everything froze. Now everything's froze up there. Are you frozen, Roy? There you go. I see you moving.
Yeah, we can hear you clearly now.
So don't say anything offensive.
Exactly. Puts premiums rising. The volume is going green on this push up on SPY-wise.
Volume is insane on this move.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Wholesale sales over month-to-month 0.3, pre-forecast 0.1, inventories 0.1, forecast 0.2. Canadian PMI came out 55.8. Ooh, spicy. Roy, I think we were messing up when I said good morning to you when I saw you. So I hope you good morning. If you didn't hear it the first time.
Pushing up towards those orders that are on Bookmap.
Yeah, we got some orders up there. That's up at the top of the orb too. Ooh, it's a dirty little rejection down there, isn't it? dirty low rejection. See if we can break back down below all this stuff and go back to VWAP. We got one trade in so far. Got a win out of it. And I guess I need to start taking it, but on my Top Step X account, so you guys can see. I'm taking a break from trading Top Step for a little bit. I'm just keep spinning my wheels on them, so I'm just going to take a self-inflicted break.
I don't think that's a bad idea.
Yeah, well, the problem is when we have good ideas and then we change our mind. That's like our trading, right? We have a good strategy, like, you know what? Screw that. Let's change it up and do this.
Was it stick to the plan? Stick to the plan. And though you have a bad day, don't venture off. That's what makes this bot so interesting to me. Because, I mean, it'll just be brutally honest with you. Your strategy is either working or it's not.
Yeah.
And,
I need to talk to you, too. You know, I got that $250 in Tasty Trades now.
oh, yeah.
I need to figure out something to put that in.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a...
Roy, you pause too long sometimes. You look frozen, like you were like this. You're sitting there, like, and I'm looking like, shit, did I freeze up again? Then you move. Well, no, I just Roy, just being Roy.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of a position. I got out of Apple this morning for a nice profit. And then I got out of Micron basically flat. I was underwater on that one. So now I'm trying to get out of ASPI. They've got earnings next week. So I'm trying to sell half my position on that.
Gotcha.
Just watching the entire market. I mean, this stuff on futures is really just like where I struggle so much is these big candles and we chop around inside the orbs and you just not a good spot for me here.
You know what? As long as we're in this orb, don't do shit.
Yeah, I think that's kind of the motto. Orb's tight enough to do that.
Yeah, I mean, as long as we're in this orb, even if the orb's a little bigger, as long as we stay in that orb, we're in a chop range, right?
Yeah.
So there's no reason to trade chop.
Yeah. No.
Royce, I think it was you that asked one day what was the best way to figure out just going to be a chop day or not. Right here.
Yeah.
Draw you a zone or a level, and as long as you're inside that level, you stay away from it. That's in your chop zone. Now, can you trade up and down and back and forth? Absolutely, you can, but you have to be so precise, right, to get the moves that you want.
Yeah, your margin for error is definitely smaller.
Yeah, Howard said he's looking at 30-minute orb. That's not a bad idea at all. The key is to avoid chop, right? That's what we're trying to avoid. Chop is where, if you look back at our Discord, Dickard said it, I said it yesterday, got chopped around yesterday morning, right? How can we avoid that chop? Well, here's how we could avoid the chop.
Yeah. Get a push down here. Are they going to test it to 6,400?
Yeah, that's the key to breakdown. I've traded down to it before, but once we got the break above the little zone I was looking at right here, I really don't want to use that as support resistance anymore right now.
Mm-hmm.
I was able to, I think it was this one I took when one of them came back and got down on it, but we're getting a breakdown here. I don't understand. Look at your SPY tie, Roy.
Yeah, it doesn't add up, does it?
We'll let everybody see it. That's
get it over here.
Yeah, that's not looking like something I want to short.
The volume ticking a little bit.
Market tide is just volume straight up. Man, we still haven't got the clean break, right? So that's what we're looking for, the clean break. We ain't got the clean break. We got the break closed below one time, and it came right back up into it. So it was a no bueno. Speak a little Spanish for Howie there. Oh, well, kind of a boring morning so far, but you know what? Boring mornings don't blow your accounts up unless you let it.
Yeah, no, boring is not bad.
I do suggest anybody that trades have a conversation with ChatGPT about your trading style.
Mm-hmm.
You get some. I mean, you can ask Roy. We kind of talked about some of this morning. You get some damn insight. You're like, wow, okay, you're not wrong. No comprende. It's interesting. It's my go-to if I have a bad day. I go just chat GPT. All right, we'll get the break. Let's see if we can get the close down here. We still got 2 minutes left in this candle, so anything can still happen. And it could drill down. CBD's come back a lot. CBD is 400, 500, dropping fast. Well, there was your play we missed, Roy.
Yeah.
Now we're too close to that 200 to take a chance on it. So we got the break. What we'd like to do, see now, is a close below 6,400. You can get that closed, and if it comes back and retests and shows a sign of rejection, then we could take it again on a short. But it popped right back up. You do have Bostic speaking, so let's see. He just said a whole bunch. He's still saying a whole lot. The most important question for the Fed is whether tariffs will shift prices once or more persistently.
They just said Waller is now the favorite for the Fed chair. That came from Financial Juice.
When did that come out?
Just a second ago, he verbally said it, so probably going to hit the headlines. So Waller's emerged. Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, the Trump team likes Fed Waller's desire for rate cuts based on forecast. Favors him for the Fed chair. I told you there were going to be some jockeying for that Fed chair, didn't I?
Yeah,
well,
man.
You knew coming, but
well, this is a tactic as well that's pretty smart, right? Get a guy in there with his hopes up so he can be more of a loud voice inside without having to install somebody. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good.
Fed Waller has met with Trump team, but not with the president. Okay.
You know, Powell does have the option to stay on as a governor after his.
There's no way that.
Dude, how cool would that be? Fucking Powell as a governor hit the speeches.
Well, Roy, are we going to get a retest or not?
We're drilling in relative terms, of course.
Yeah, it's real volatile right now.
Yeah, you got Bostic hitting the headlines. You've got all sorts of stuff. Tariff. That's all I keep hearing.
Tariff.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. I actually like it short here. If it almost break down to the 90 level, but You got to be careful with it. We could see 82 maybe.
Got a wick forming here.
Yeah.
But yeah. I'd say 81, so right around where you're at.
Well, everything looked like it was going to drill. Then all of a sudden, look at your SPY tide. Like it picked up.
Yeah, SPY tide. Well, premiums are off a cliff, right?
Yeah.
This is a hard one. I mean, it's breaking down, no doubt about it.
I took a shot. I ended up $4. My trail caught me.
All right.
So it is what it is. I should have took it on that 200 break. I should have got in right there, 93, and would have been a better trade. But now we wait. CVD has gone negative. Call premiums are rising, but volumes declining.
Another wick.
Another wick. I missed the wick. CVD is drilling down. It's negative 600 now. How say you took a retest the bottom of 3-minute orb. Switch 1 minute chart for that back. Yeah, that makes sense. Businesses are using a mix of approaches and changing prices in their ongoing discussions. This could shift expectations, according to Bostic. The way tariffs are unfolding make it hard to pin down the impact and suggest the episode will last much longer than people anticipated. Bostic is not trying to be the
Head chair.
Yeah, there's no doubt there.
Yeah.
Thank you, Roy, for coming in and saving the day. I was in a brain fog for a second, but it's obvious Bostic gives a real shit about being the Fed chair. So,
I mean, know your role, right? If I have no shot at it, I might as well be honest.
Where's Bostic the Fed chair at? You know?
I think it was Atlanta.
I feel businesses will continue adjusting to tariffs well into next year. Yeah, definitely not trying to be Fed chair.
Yeah, no. Bostic got me. He was a dove when I was a hawk. Now he's a hawk when I'm a dove.
Gotta love it, don't you? Gotta love it.
I got to check on all Intel. Poor Intel. Most cursed stock in the market.
Yeah, well.
Down 2%. Palantir, 183. My God. This thing's not exactly bouncing.
Can't wrap my head around Palantir.
How about Jim Cramer coming out saying it's undervalued?
What?
Yeah.
Undervalued. Doesn't the company have to show profit before they can be valued?
Like 300 head of earning PE forward earnings. Forward PE is like 300x.
Crazy thing is, they would have they would be profitable if they didn't take all the damn money out beforehand.
Yeah,
they take all their profits out. Like if you noticed, they pay themselves very well. I don't blame them. I mean, hey, it is what it is.
I mean,
that damn 91 test was the spot to go short there, Roy. Son of a gun.
Yeah.
I was wanting to go a little bit higher, but we are making a lower low. CBD is down to negative 800. Tide is just not pretty. Oh, I can't quit coughing today. You gotta get a little volume increase at the zero line. So we'll see how that does. Your puts are coming back, but your call premiums are coming back with it. Market tide is just you do your volume shift down. That's where we got that move down. But it is still green. Your call volume is still in control. So you would expect your call volume to be in control, right? Because this is the market. So
yeah,
you would expect there would be more call buyers than put buyers. That's not unexpected. Look at this it's interesting to see the SPY volume indicator up here. Look at this big dip we had. I guess did it reset it open? Had to reset it open, right? That's before.
yeah,
That's 820.
yeah, it should.
Did it reset at 820? It went to 0 at 820.
Yeah, it's probably when they reset, like 10 minutes before they open.
Okay. Well, yeah. Ooh, so okay, how's SPY? Just looking through. IWM. Ooh, the Dow is way down. IWM is just flat. I'm over here looking around when we got stuff going on here.
Yeah, this candle's showing some buyers. There's Sadie's deal
It
showing.
was ugly on the indicator. Now buyers have taken control of it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying that indicator, that's overall volume in the candle, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very interesting.
So breakdown of orb low. That's been the play.
Yeah.
Play of the day.
I mean, I told you looking back, orb has been the play for a while. We just kind of been ignoring it for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting a drill. Ooh, what the hell just happened? Well, getting close to that 91 level was also another play again, Roy. We missed.
She's volatile for sure.
Yesterday it was insane. The first, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, just the volume and the volatility it had in it. It was whipping. And then
yesterday,
yeah. And then be done trade that. That makes a lot of sense now, doesn't it?
That sucked.
I mean, I don't really, besides that 91, 25, 92 area, I don't really, and then you play it down to 85 according to Bookmap. I don't really see a lot of spots here. See why it's holding up. You got all this consolidation all over here. So that should be a bunch to get through. I don't think we need. Come on. All right, let's see what it does here, Roy, this time. We test this 91 range. See if we get that. What do we go to this time? 85. See if we get a new low here. If we bounce up, what we do. CBD negative 1,000. Volume just went to complete shit on Tide.
Yeah, it did. Holy mackerel.
Hell of a drop. I don't understand that one. And I don't understand how the market is holding up still here. Well, I did take a short again. I'm guaranteed $5. We're gonna move his stop, move his take profit down to 80. Might take me out before then, but you know, it's probably going to. I told Roy I was going to nickel and dime this thing to death today. I didn't really mean think I was going to nickel and dime it this much.
Like literally amazing though. You came in with a plan and you are executing said plan.
Here's the deal. I'm sticking to what I said I was going to do, so I'm not changing. I'm letting my letting my trail. I mean, it's guaranteed profit. It's not guaranteeing a lot of profit, but it's guaranteeing profit. Once I scale up, it'll guarantee. Well, now I'm guaranteed $13, Roy.
I mean, that volume on Tide is disgusting.
Yeah, I just need it to not bounce any. I need to drop down and take me out down here at 80. Which is getting close to taking me out now, which is going to piss me off. It took me out. That's all right. Like I said, we'll nickel and dime this damn thing to death. We're now $26 up on the day, Roy.
Bingo, bango, bungo.
Multiply that times 5, and
there you go.
We're trading 5 lots, so but it is what it is. I don't want to chase it again, but I'm really pissed I'm not in this trade anymore. I think you can get in and put your stop above that 89 with a chance to go to 80. So that gives you like a 1-to-1 risk reward. Did give you a 1-to-1 risk reward. Would love to see just a little bit of a bounce here back up to about 85, but nope. Okay, well now we're going. I'm gonna be pissed. 30 dog, you said that just for Roy. I kept telling myself, Roy used it day before yesterday, and everything yesterday, I was like, damn it, Roy, you ruined my 30 dog.
My bot went negative. No, my bot went negative.
Let's look over here. So you can see why I was trying to get 80. We got all those orders, 100 orders in 80. If it breaks 80, we can see 75 down there. CBD is just nasty with Tide. Roy, we got to get better about it. Like if we just took that damn order break and just held it, we'd be 18 points up right now. That would have made a decent day, and if you're trading one lot, wouldn't it?
Stress-free, right?
I mean, there was not much pressure on that one. I'm gonna be honest with you. That fall down. If you just trade it candle, I mean, not trade it candle by candle, but did your close candle by candle,
right?
You'd still be trading, be 20 points up. I mean, even if you just take one, that's $100.
Yeah.
Take 5, that's $1,000. Boom, bingo, bingo. What the hell are we doing, Ro? What the hell are we doing? I want to see it come back up to around 85, I think, but I just don't know if we're going to get up there. And then take it back down to 75, but it is just not giving entry. We are right below the 400 is, why is the, oh, that's ES and MES. I guess that could make a difference. Let's see if it makes a difference. This damn 400. Yeah, so it's already got us right below 400 on the 5-minute chart or TradingView. I mean TradingView, but not here. Make that make sense. See, we're so close to 75. I think we touched 75 again. Ah, Roy. Why did I have to follow a plan and let my trail?
30-year bond is today, by the way, as well.
Yeah, it's at 12. So 12 Central, 1 Eastern.
Could get a pop here. I think you're going to get some buyers.
Credit is interesting.
What's that?
You get consumer credit this afternoon. We got Muslin speaking tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's a very light day, according to the calendar.
Dip today, rip tomorrow kind of deal. I mean, I say that. We're still green on the day.
We are, aren't we?
Crazy.
Yeah, you go back and look like, man, SPY, 14 straight green days. I know we had some red days, but you know what I'm saying? Right. And then you look at how we actually got the green day, like, okay, that's not really a good green day.
Yeah. Oh, Howie, giving us a shout out. Look at that. Still in his short. Switched to 10-minute candle by candle that he learned right here.
You're the man, Howie.
La inspiración. That's Spanish for legend. The wick forming down here does give me a little pause, given the supply spot we've been watching all morning. So just be careful. Could get a little pop here. Could get a little rejection there.
But volume started to tick up a slight little bit on time. Now it's kind of turning back. So is general market tide? Is it going to go red volume?
Dickard's in a short. Good job, man. Good job.
Everybody doing a fantastic job, except me and Roy.
That's all right.
Good job, Al. I read that first. We measure. What do we measure, Al?
Yeah.
Here's the pop that Roy warned of. Roy's don't worry. Could get a chance here to go back to 75.
See it maybe get to this ribbon. I mean, 91 was the spot, but you get like 86.75 would be a good deal. But this candle right here, though it is green, is setting up for a potential candle by candle to the downside if momentum wants to continue down. So get yourself a little dead cat bounce potential here.
That's kind of what I'm thinking with it, Roy, but
don't want to get ahead of it, of course.
Yeah. I don't know is this where we show our weakness at? You look left. This would make sense in this range to reject back down here. CVDs come back up some. You got orders at 85. I would love to get closer to 85, but I just don't think we're going to do it now. If we go back and test this low again, that would be a very bearish signal, in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, I was kind of half joking, but I just didn't realize that we were still green on the day. So if this thing wants to move down more,
yeah.
I mean, it's still not red. So
still not red. I did take a short there. I'm doing the same play, so I'm guaranteed $5.
Nice job.
It's so hard to even say that out loud.
I like the
guess. But
yeah, I like this candle. I'm gonna wait for it to close.
I got $5.
Okay.
And it's probably going to hit my take profit that I had set a minute ago, which was at 75.25. I don't know. You got a few orders building right above 75 this time. They're defending the spot down here now.
Look at the VIX.
If it breaks it down, it's going to run.
Yeah, the VIX just went green, 1681.
Bostic, it's been surprising how the markets have just shrugged off the price impact of tariffs.
Yep.
Well, Bostic, they're expecting you to cut rates, buddy.
Yeah.
Y'all cut rates.
How about App 11? 433. I don't know if you guys. Oh, this is the daily chart heading into earnings. Look at that.
What are you looking at?
This is App 11.
Oh, okay.
No, it had this setup heading into earnings last time, and it two earnings ago it jacked up. I had the same setup, and look at it go. Look at it go.
Look at it move back up.
Yep, that is part of the reason why I wanted to wait for that candle to close. I was tempted. Damn, shoulder hurts. Carrying too much stress.
Bostic says I am expecting volatility to remain heightened. No shit.
Yeah. Well, especially when you're making headlines like he's making.
Exactly. Exactly.
All right. I'm going to get a little ahead. I'm going to take a short here. It's going to bite me in the ass, but that's okay.
Yeah. I'm not quite ready. I want to see this one close and the next one open. And I hate to say it, Roy, but I would love to get up to about 85. Then I would look to join you, but I need to get closer to 85 before I do join you. Anybody look? We're looking at it just a chart. Let's look at book map and see what I'm looking at here. So, pull my thing up. You got these 100 and something orders sitting at 85. I would love for it to come up around here and then show a rejection, and then try to get a move back down to 75 is what I would look for. I guess y'all see my mouse moving there? Yeah. So I would love for it to come close. It doesn't have to get all the way up there. Get up to 83, and then I would put a stop above 85. So because if we do break those orders, well, it's going to run probably. It's getting close. 81, 82. 83. I'm gonna put an order in at 83, Roy. Oh, you dirty dog. You missed me. I'm with you. I'm gonna put a stop over 85. And then I'm gonna put my take profit at 75.25 again. Like I said, if it breaks those 85, it's probably going to move up to that 90 anyway. So I don't want to hold it that long and take a chance on blowing up anything. I can't blow anything up with that, but you know what I'm saying? Taking a red trade, a big red trade.
Yeah.
So right now with this, I'm risking 20 to make 30. So what, a 1.5 to 1.
Okay.
Half your order risk, 1 to 1.5, however you want to look at it. So probably should have waited till we got up a little bit. 83. That's where I really wanted my entries. 83. There was close to it.
Wow.
Yeah, wow, I was right, Roy. Wow, I was right. This is I mean, it's not much of a risk, so the reward should be better. Could get a little move down. Come on down to 75. Come on down to 75. I took it in another account. I just took $20 in one account. Like I said, I'm not getting rich. I'm guaranteed 11.25 on this trade. It's going to take me out here. It did, but it's a green trade, but nonetheless, once we build these up, we'll move these stops, this trail where it's not trailing so damn tight. But I just took that into account. So I mean, I made $32 in two accounts, fucking around.
Getting buyers stepping in.
Yeah, I'm still watching this 85 arrow. I want to see this break. If it gets back up there and rejects again, I will take the trade short again. But I got a feeling eventually we're going to break. But this damn tide is not suggesting that we're going to break. So
yeah.
Not suggesting we're going to break. It's just so close to down at the bottom. We are doing a little wedge here. We're making a flag. This damn could be a damn bear flag.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually setting up to be a very nice bear flag. So if it does break, we will get a damn runner down.
Go ahead and set your take profits to 6,300.
I wouldn't do that. Let's look left. So if we were to break down, I would look for the 70 level to hold. And if that 70 level breaks, I mean, I'm to the point now where I'm looking just spot to spot, right? So you got 70, and you would look to 62.25 and look for that breakdown. 53, 48, 41, 37, so forth. If we were to break now, Roy, and we break, let's say this, we'll call this level, this 70 level, we definitely could see like a 58 level come into play.
It's funny you say that. Dun, 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 dun. The fibs I drew from the Friday low to all-time high, the 63.54 is the 50. And anchored VWAP from the high. 63.54.
Bostic, the job data did indicate risks of the labor market are much higher than seen before the last meeting. I still feel that one cut for this year remains appropriate, but there's a lot of data coming before September meeting. What you doing here, market? That's not very bullish. And we're right back at my damn 63 level again. Even though this is a strong one up, I think this 85 level rejects, Roy. I think it could just run right through it, but gonna find out.
Yeah, no, it's 3 candles in a row that have had more buying than selling, as you can see here. You can see that on the wicks. So now we're working on the 4th candle, starting very early, but starting that same trend. Now you can look at that a few ways. You could say all the buying was here and we barely moved. Or you could say the buying's here and it's creating some support. Clearly,
I'm guaranteed $5 on a short again. I took a short up there. I guess I am going to nickel and dime this damn thing to death today. Lord have mercy. But it is what it is, right?
Yeah.
I am. I'm $60 up on the day. That's in 2 accounts. You know what? I'm not getting frustrated because today is just a day to self-reflect and just to work my shit out. So that's what I'm doing, working my shit out. What say you, Roy? You like
Same.
it? You don't like it?
Yeah, no, I think I'm in the same boat with Top Step. For whatever reason, I just can't get that momentum carrying over there. I think I don't know what it is. Obviously not just Top Step. It's just whatever mental shift is happening when I'm trading Top Step. So I'm just trying to get my game back, get back in the game. So I like nickel and diamond a little bit. I've got myself $200 on a pro account on Take Profit Trader.
There you go.
I had a zero balance, so I mean it's the first start of it.
That's great. You can't complain about that.
No, so my craziness, I could stop right now and be up, $200 on the day.
So, quick question: do you have other accounts you can trade?
I have another pro account I can trade.
So, just if I was you, just me thinking out loud here, I would just cut that one off. Go to your next one.
Switch to the other one. Yeah, I like it.
When you have multiple accounts, right, and you're trying to grow them, you got to be strategic how you do it, right? You can't just go in there and blow it out and do this, that, and other. You got to be smart how you do it. You get $200 up, you move your next one. You got to trade them all eventually anyway, right?
Right. Let's see how my swing account's doing. I think I'm red on the day, thanks to.
I don't love this. I mean, we're testing this 85 so many damn times that we're getting close to it with these wicks.
Tide is gaining momentum on the volume side. Not saying it's bullish by any stretch, but it is gaining momentum.
Yeah.
Rule of thumb for all those swing traders out there: don't hold through earnings. I sold 90% of my TSSI yesterday before earnings, held a one runner, and that one runner is down 90% today.
Yeah, that is it's always a gamble when you hold through earnings. There's no doubt. You just said the best bet to do is don't hold earnings. And look, if you make your money, you want to hold one runner, that's okay. I mean, you made money on the rest of it, right?
Yeah, it was very good.
But even no matter what happens here, it doesn't make that a bad trade, right?
No.
I don't blame you for holding one just to see what happens with it. I don't like they're moving some orders up at 87.50 now, even though you still have these at 85. That's telling me that this 85 could break here in a minute. Well, now they just brought them back to 85, so I don't know. Maybe I'm talking out my ass.
I mean, we are lingering, but we are kind of, like I said, we're ticking up. We are flagging.
Yeah, here's that 85 test. See if they take those out. They take those out, we're going to pop.
You can see that ribbon that I've got right there.
Yeah.
So. Nope.
Yep.
There's your mojo.
Yeah, I tried to scalp more. I lost $8 on the trade. So.
All right, just a Chick-fil-A meal.
Yeah, I kept my stop a little tighter there. Roy did call it. You are having your what? Tide's starting to tick back down again. Watch it.
Yeah, I don't like the flag formation potentially here. Oh, look at that rejection on that ribbon.
Yeah, and I just missed it by a tick. You dirty dog. You can go all the way down to 75. You dirty dog. Well,
they're going to put me in a league where green items get thrown on the court if I keep trading like this.
The sucky part is the damn 85 broke and did not do shit with it once it broke.
I know. It's like...
But I did say right before it hit, I looked and I was like, wait a second, Tide is turning back down.
Yeah, you did.
That damn thing went down.
Let's go to the hourly. Let's go to the hourly. Oh my gracious. Yeah, that is one hell of an hourly candle. So we got a gap kind of here if you want to play that. Well, I guess it'll fill at 71.
Oh, now we're looking at this. If it breaks 75, then we're going to try to ride momentum down with it if it breaks.
I mean, that is a candle by candle to the short side, right? I mean,
you candle by candle, you got a 3-bar reversal to the short side. I mean, we got a lot working here. You got a flag that looks like could possibly break now. There's that. Yep. There's a little momentum down. This should come down to 70, I would think. I would think we get to that 70 range, right below 70 maybe. Well, if they ordered at 72.50 in there on us. Tide is nasty. Tide is nasty, nasty.
That wick forming.
Yeah, but I don't love it, Roy. Look at your Tide. Look at your CVD. Yeah, I still think we come down. Well, 72.50 possibly. I don't know.
Where are they going to reject though?
Yeah. Well, it's going to bounce around in here for a while.
What a 1 minute chart. Look at the 1 minute. Let's paint a little bit different picture.
Looks like it's rounding on 1 minute.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the wicks tell you that. I mean, I'm not trying to be a smart ass here, but the wicks tell me the same thing that one it kind of does.
Yeah.
It's just all at the bottom of it, right? I see what you're saying, but the point is still the same, right?
Excuse me.
Yeah, we're going to bounce back up now.
Or not.
Maybe not. Maybe no.
Sweep the leg.
Sweep the leg. All right, let's see. I'm in nothing right now. I'm in nothing. We are getting close to calling it time. I'm not going to sit here and trade all day with this. Roy, you're still on a short though, right?
I just got out.
Did you make a little profit on it?
A little bit. A bit. Well, $27, $25.
It's better than no dollars.
I'll tell you.
How many lots you trading?
5. So what I do is if I get up like 3 points, I put my stop at 1 point.
Okay.
So I give myself a 2-point stop range.
Got you.
Not the best, but just got to get myself again. Nickel, damn it.
This is really going to piss me off because it's going to go all the way back down here where I said it's going to go to. And
did my bot at least take it? I don't think it did.
Sidelines watching. This is kind of like yesterday. It kind of messed me up. We kept looking like, all right, we got levels here. Instead of taking a short, like right now, I would want to take a long because, hey, we got a level right there that says 72.50.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday, we had the same thing. Like, well, we got a level here. I'm going to take a short. Well, hell, then it would just break right through that damn level. I mean, every time I would get into a short and there would be 200 orders sitting there, it would take out 200 as soon as I enter. Like, boom. Like, what? Like, are you watching me? Am I ICT now? That stops. And then it would drop down. It would really just piss me off. And I think that's the deal yesterday. I just kind of I got mad, I got emotional, and I should just walk away. But,
yeah,
hindsight 2020 and all that good shit. Howie said, I remember you saying that Howie said he switched to trading commons right after earnings reports. It takes more money, but was way more successful. Absolutely, I believe that. That's a pretty good play. I kept trying to play along around yesterday, New York session high, but these wicks. The wicks are just the market's hard right now. Look, we get the data, we call the data out, we call what we see. It's frustrating when you call it out right, but then you don't trade it exactly like you call it out. That kind of pisses me off. To be honest with you, it's more frustrating than anything. But we're gonna work through this. We'll do what we gotta do. We've got a green day going, so I just want some green on the board for a few days. We had a good run just yesterday. I was a little stupid, so got to fix that stupid part. That's why I'm punishing myself. We're trading one lot.
Yeah. Bostic still talking.
Playing one lot.
Well, you're trading one lot to preserve accounts because you're in a vulnerable spot.
It's still frustrating.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. We'll do what we got to do. Like right now, yesterday, I'd be like, man, look, we're at this level here. It's got to hold. I'm going to take a long, which it might hold, but I mean, that's not the best strategy to have.
Mm-mm. Well, especially with Tide showing what it's showing, right?
Tide's nasty. But then it's also a level where I can't short, so that means we do absolutely nothing. There's your Tide. Tide is not looking pretty at all. So anyway, Roy, I think I'm ready to call it. I need to use the restroom and take a little quick break anyway. So you good with that?
All right, brother. I like it. I'm going to take a little break as well. And, you guys trade safe. We're happy football. Preseason's tonight.
Yep.
We've got inflation expectations in 5 minutes, so be careful.
Yeah, don't trade that. Let that go out.
I don't know. I just heard it over the wire. So data in 5 minutes for anybody. What is that? New York Fed expectations.
Yeah.
So just take a break as well.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I suggest y'all do the same. Trade safe. Don't do anything crazy. Let this data come out and then let it digest and trade accordingly then. But everything else, everybody be safe the rest of the day. Be safe tomorrow. This thing's fitting to drill down, you piece of shit. All right. I got to go before I do something.
All right, guys.
Thank you, guys. We appreciate it. We'll catch you guys Monday, hopefully.
All right. Bye, guys.